In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to set up and use the special value tabletop fridge. Before using the fridge, ensure there is enough room around the fridge for air to circulate. You should leave 15 cm either side of the fridge, 20 cm behind and 30 cm on top. To correctly level your fridge, get a second person to assist in tilting the appliance one way. Rotate the feet clockwise to heighten and anti-clockwise to lower. Rotate the feet until the appliance is properly balanced. To reverse the doors on the fridge, start by removing the whole cover plate on the left side. Next, use a flathead screwdriver or something similar to remove the hinge cover plate. Then, remove the 3 screws on the top hinge with a Phillips head screwdriver. You can now remove the hinge and lift the door away. Use an 8mm spanner and flathead screwdriver to remove the bolt pin on the hinge. Then, reverse the direction of the bolt pin and tighten it to the lower hinge. You can now remove the 2 screws and adjustable foot that hold the lower hinge on. Remove the adjustable foot on the left side of the fridge. Additionally, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the small screw. Attach the adjustable foot from the left to the right side of the fridge. Then, attach the small screw to the right side. You can now install the lower hinge to the left side of the fridge with a Phillips head screwdriver. Attach the smaller adjustable foot to the lower hinge. Gently place the door on the bolt pin and hold it in the closed position. Secure the upper hinge, ensuring that the washer is between the bolt pin and the door. Attach 3 screws to the upper hinge and reattach the hinge cover. Finally, reattach the whole cover plate. Your bush fridge is now ready to use.